Ulike is a popular camera app primarily designed for taking selfies and portrait photos, focusing heavily on real-time photo editing and beauty enhancements. Key features: personalized fine-tuning, beauty adjustments. It allows for automatic and manual fine-tuning of facial features like eyes, nose, and mouth right after the photo is taken. You can save your preferred edits, a specific look, and apply them to future photos instantly. Filters and makeup tools. Offers a wide variety of filters and virtual makeup tools, suitable for different occasions. These tools help achieve a bright, smooth, and refined skin appearance. Pose guides. Includes pose samples or outlines that you can follow to take more stylish, fashion blogger type photos easily. Intuitive editing. You can adjust the intensity of the beauty filter from 0% to 100%. It offers over 30 different parameters for manual adjustment, such as skin whitening, nose shape, and eye spacing. Pros: what users like. Ease of use. The interface is very user-friendly and intuitive. Real-time editing. Edits are applied as you take the photo, minimizing the need for post-processing. Variety of options. A large selection of filters, makeup, and touch-up options. Cons and things to note. Image quality issues. Some users report that pictures taken with the high-res toggle can experience a delay when saving. And using the 3:4 resolution sometimes leads to unwanted cropping or zooming. PNG support. There is no support for saving images in the PNG format. VIP features. Some premium filters, looks, and advanced functionalities are locked behind a VIP subscription fee. In summary, Ulike is an excellent app if your main goal is to quickly and easily enhance your selfies and achieve a highly polished, aesthetic look. Would you like me to suggest some other popular beauty camera apps like Ulike?